What is going on YouTube? Hayden back making another brand new Crypto TV episode. In today's video, we are going to be looking at XRP, Ethereum, Bitcoin, as well as the S&P 500. And boy, do I have some good news to go over. If you haven't checked the current markets already, most of the major cryptocurrencies are actually breaking to the upside. XRP is breaking out of its beautiful bull flag formation that we tracked a couple of days ago here, as well as the symmetrical triangle. We then, moving forward, have Ethereum breaking outside or rebounding off of its bottom support here. Inside the beautiful bull flag formation, we broke out of this, retested bottom support, and here we are lifting back up, which is extremely exciting. We have Bitcoin seeing a beautiful ascending fractal, an ascending triangle formation here, filling in the gap and beautifully breaking to the upside here. And the S&P 500 is continuing to rebound and bounce off of its bottom support here, which was a continuation pattern outside its bull flag formation. So I'm very excited because this is something we've been tracking for many days now, and beautifully done. Here we are breaking out. As you guys can clearly see, just a couple of days ago, I'd say 4 days ago, it says 3, but in about an hour or two, this will jump to 4. And you can see here, we have the beautiful descending fractal that we've been tracking on a bull flag formation, pretty much saying we are going to be breaking bullish very soon. Keep your eyes peeled on this market. And just like that, we started to break out. Moving forward, we then have the beautiful ascending triangle here forming on, I believe it was Bitcoin, which we were pretty much waiting for, maybe 2 or 3 days before we saw some sort of confirmation break to the upside here. And then we continued to fill out the gaps here on these two cryptocurrencies. Huge potential as of 2 days ago, huge potential on this descending fractal in the bull flag as a breakout is going to come. Breakout this week, literally what I said. And it's so funny, your guys' comments here. Yesterday I made a video, XRP Ripple holders, time is up, breakout is coming. As you can see, filling in the gap here, we have the beautiful bull flag formation here, the symmetrical triangle forming, and then we had the beautiful run to the upside. You can even see the funny comments that you guys wrote. Where is it? XRP isn't going anywhere, only misery with that coin, so on and so forth, blah blah blah. Clickbait here, every day the same, every day the same price, so on and so forth here. Well, I'd like to think that this is not the same price. We were at 50 cents all the way up to almost 52 cents. That means in the overnight we managed to swing up over 5% here. We have Bitcoin, which broke us to the upside here, which was an easy trade that we capitalized on. This shot us up 6.6%, and we're just now beginning. So I'm very excited. When you leverage this, it makes for big profits here. We're not expecting to see, I don't know what you guys, when you guys comment these funny things, are you expecting to see like 400% gains or 200? I think that's what it is. 80% gains? No, well, we're trading short term, daily technical indicators. We're not talking about over the entirety of 6 months or 8 months here, which will see 80% gains. We're talking about a day or two, a couple of hours, seeing a 5% rally within overnight is big profit if you can leverage it correctly. So I'm excited that we're seeing this pump to the upside. We called this in the previous videos. So with that being said, definitely make sure to smash the like button, turn on post notifications, subscribe, and let's dive into today's episode. So guys, over the weekend, we had some very interesting topics and a very interesting discussions. We specifically stated Friday was Good Friday. Stock market was closed. We weren't seeing much movement within cryptocurrency as expected. Saturday, stock market was closed. Sunday, stock market was closed. Not really seeing much movement at all as expected. We figured as we started to see this movement here, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, that we were starting to reject and rebound off this top resistance. So we extended the bear flag or the bull flag here. We extended the downtrend. You can see it here. This was the 7th, 8th, 9th, 10th, and then this is the 11th here. So you can see we have this. It was about Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, and then here's Tuesday now. You can see this is the breakout to the upside here. So as we were consolidating, filling in this gap here, we said we're most likely not going to be seeing a break on the weekend here. It's probably going to come maybe Monday, maybe Tuesday, Wednesday, the latest. And here we are seeing that breakout Monday. This is exactly what we said in previous videos. I mean, we could literally watch the previous episode that I posted here, and you can see exactly what it is that I outlined here. I just want to draw it for you guys so you guys can see. Here's the clear, beautiful breakout that we had, the beautiful descending fractal, and we were waiting patiently for the sandwiching effect, the filling in the gap here, a decision needed to be made, and we were going to say, hey, are we going to be breaking bullish or bearish? This is it. This is literally what we called just yesterday here, and as you guys can see on the XRP chart, we broke out. So literally we called this to a T. I'm very excited. We even took advantage of this on BidFi, the #1 cryptocurrency leveraging exchange that I like to use here on the channel. You can buy long, sell short, leverage trade, create stop losses, everything you could possibly think of, take profits, every single thing, especially on XRP. This is the easiest call in the book. We were watching this, waiting for it, and we had the beautiful break, and we capitalized off the run. The second we saw a confirmation closer above this major downtrend of 51 cents, that was the buying opportunity to leverage to the upside with a small stop loss here. Simple as that, easy as that. It was all updated on Patreon. You guys have been informed. It was so easy. I'm very excited that we took advantage of this. And it's not just XRP. There's a lot of other cryptocurrencies you could take advantage of on BidFi as well. But this was very easy to do XRP. And for those that are skeptical about using BidFi, I highly, highly, highly recommend using the demo account. This gives you $100,000 in Monopoly money to test your skills and get familiar with the platform before switching to real cryptocurrency. And you don't even have to do that. Just use the demo. It's completely free. If you watch these videos, if you like cryptocurrency and you want to trade, use the demo account because it's just a simulator. There's zero risk. Signing up to BidFi, completely free. Using the demo account, completely risk-free. You have nothing to lose. Make sure to check it out. Link is down in the description below. This is how we took advantage of the previous trades and how we are currently in some trades right now. Now, they are on the 4-hour charts here, so we are going to be taking profits very soon because we're going to be nearing overbought, but we just slightly move those up just in case we do decide to reverse downwards here. But I'm very excited that we took advantage of this move. The best part about BidFi is they are offering $2,888 completely free by signing up with the link down in the description below. All you have to do is sign up with the link down in the description, then click welcome rewards, and it's that simple. You can literally earn up to $28.88. That's simple. If you've already signed up a couple of months ago before they had the welcome rewards, make sure to check it out because you still might be eligible to getting a lot of these rewards, which is super cool. Now, moving forward, from BidFi, you can clearly see here on XRP, we had this beautiful descending fractal here, filling in the gap. And then we started to notice that there was some sort of uptrend here and some sort of downtrend here. You can see we were filling this in here where the higher lows and lower highs started to form here. Higher lows and higher highs. Or sorry, no, I'm saying this wrong. We had higher lows right here, higher lows and lower highs. That's it. Coming to some point, we came to that point and we had a decision because we were the bulls and the bears are battling it out. The bulls won. We exploded to the upside here. Very exciting. And I believe this is going to continue to the upside here. If I jump to the daily, not the weekly, my apologies here. If I jump to the daily here, you can see this is the first candle closure outside a beautiful bull flag formation here, which I believe is going to continue to send us to the upside here. So keep your eyes peeled as I believe we should be heading up higher. Now, moving forward on Ethereum here, this is something else that we had a bit of an issue with, but we are back into this trade here. You can see we had a beautiful bull flag yet again. We broke outside of here. We said this might be a complete bull trap here, and it kind of was. We did fall, we did retest stop loss, we did get stopped out here, but the fact that we closed just yesterday above this is quite exciting if you ask me. We are nearing overbought, but there's a chance we could breach a little bit higher. Yet again, stop loss just in case you decide to dip lower here, as it is a huge possibility because we're hanging around $64 or 64 on the relative strength indicator, which is pretty high. There is still room to go higher, but you just have to keep your eyes peeled on this market because of the off chance we do decide to dip lower, just in case. And moving forward to Bitcoin, which saw a beautiful break to the upside here. So happy for Bitcoin right now, filling in the gap here. We were creating higher lows with the same high. So you could see every time we headed back to the upside here, it was at the same level, but every time we fell lower, it was higher than the previous one. This is an ascending triangle getting sandwiched in between the moving averages here. Eventually, we got squeezed and the bulls broke through and we exploded to the upside. Where did we go? Coincidentally, right back inside of our beautiful ascending fractal here. And you can see now we're hitting a bit of resistance. Beautiful ascending fractal right here. Problem zone right here, also overbought. So I'm not sure how much higher we're going to be moving to. Maybe up to 31.5, but I don't think any higher than that if we're already probably overbought at this current moment. And then I do believe we're going to need to see some correction to kind of settle ourselves back down again. Now, looking at the current coin market cap, things do look really nice, up 4.53%. Finally, after seeing the consolidation, you can see the rallies that we're starting to see. So it's very exciting to get some lift off. It's about time that these cryptos started to get some volume back into these markets here. Really shows you we're not doing too bad. We're really not doing all that bad at all. The S&P is also continuing to move up as we've confirmed its higher low pattern inside a beautiful bull flag formation yet again. Beautiful flag pull, beautiful flag itself, and then the continuation break to the upside here, as I believe it's going to send us even higher, confirming that we have these higher low low patterns, the next one should be higher than the last as the moving average is slowly moving back up. Price should also do the same. Maybe we'll veer above, but I believe ultimately we should be following this to the upside here from now on. We'll see if that comes true, but that's really where my head's at on these cryptocurrencies and on the stock market here as we are heading higher. Now, that's going to wrap up today's video, though. Definitely make sure to smash the like button, turn on post notifications, subscribe, and I'll see you in tomorrow's video. Peace.